Hi, I'm Amelia, your product assistant at Vehere. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how the DataGrid in Vehere's network detection and response platform empowers analysts to perform high-fidelity threat investigations with speed and precision. Let's start with what the DataGrid is and why it's essential for analysts. The DataGrid is a structured, queryable interface that brings together raw network telemetry, alert metadata, and enriched session data. It allows you to pivot, filter, and correlate across time-bound network activity, making threat hunting faster, sharper, and more contextual. From your Vehere NDR dashboard, click on the threat hunting icon and select DataGrid. This opens an interactive query builder. Here's how you define your parameters. 1. Select field. Choose the metadata field you want to query. 2. Condition. Apply operators like equals, exists, greater than, etc. 3. Field value. Input values relevant to your selected field. 4. Date range. Filter sessions by timeframe like last 15 minutes or a custom timeline. For instance, I'll select a 30-day range to analyze historical traffic trends without any filters. You'll now see a dynamic table with default fields like timestamps, source destination IPs, and host names. Vehere's DataGrid is built to support real analyst workflows. Let's explore its key features. 1. Filters. Narrow traffic by IPs, protocols, or app layers. 2. Structure by. Choose to organize data by protocols, flags, applications, or tags. 3. Advanced filter. Build layered queries to target specific traffic, like all HTTP sessions from a suspicious subnet. 4. Timeline. Align views with exact incident timelines. 5. Global search. Hunt IOCs across every field in the grid. 6. Tools. Save queries, export results, apply saved filters, or reset the view. You can also add remarks, tags, or flags for future correlation or SOC collaboration. For more context, click on any session to open the Session Details panel. This includes 4 sections. 1. Summary, a quick overview of session data. 2. Reconstruction, rebuilt files from raw packet data. 3. Details, complete metadata view, add fields directly to your grid. 4. Remarks, add or review analyst notes for collaboration. The DataGrid also supports protocol-specific visibility for DNS, SMTP, POP3, ICMP, HTTP, TLS, SIP, Telnet, SSH, SMB, FTP, Kerberos, LDAP, and even OT and IoT protocols. Sessions captured via probes, NetFlow, and SFlow are all visible here. To filter for flow-specific data, use the filter field flow.collector IP. Condition exists. Now, let's see how alerts integrate with the DataGrid. Click on any alert to view comprehensive session details. Then click View Session to launch the DataGrid with that session preloaded, giving you immediate access to packet-level visibility. And just like that, alerts transform into full investigative views in just a few clicks. For even faster interaction, the DataGrid includes quick action buttons, designed to streamline your workflow. You'll find 4 intuitive icons next to each session row. 1. Filter icon. Instantly filter the grid based on the selected column's data. 2. Comment icon. Add a quick remark or note for future reference or team handoff. 3. Enter icon. Jump directly into the session details for deeper investigation. 4. Flag icon. Mark the session for correlation or follow-up in ongoing threat cases. That wraps up our quick tour of the DataGrid in Vehere NDR. In our next video, we'll dive into incident storyboarding, where we bring complex threats to life through a clear, structured narrative. Thanks for watching. Stay secure and see you in the next one.